Hello friends, good morning. I, Dr. Arjun V. Mane, Assistant Professor, Computer Science, Government Institute of Forensic Science, Nagpur, personally congratulate to you all for clearing BSc Forensic Science first year examination and welcome you all to the BSc second year of Forensic Science. In this particular semester, we are going to discuss about the course entitled Advanced Digital and Cyber Forensic. It's paper number 6 for your semester. The objective of this course is, as we all know, the need of computer forensic expert growing in the globe. People are realizing the importance of digital evidence in cybercrime investigation. This course is designed to orient students with computer forensic, incident response, and cyber forensic tools. After completion of this course, the students will able to describe computer forensic and relate it to an cybercrime investigation process. He or she also able to describe incident response and knows how to prepare for incident response. He or she is also able to demonstrate the tools for computer forensic. If you want some reference material or any other information about this course, you can visit the website www.avm.moodlecloud.com. Now we will take a look of our course syllabus. The course syllabus has been divided in 3 units. Unit 1 is about computer forensic. Unit 2 is dedicated for incident response, and in Unit 3 we are going to discuss about cyber forensic tools and utilities. Under the Unit 1 we will discuss about what the computer forensic is, what are the steps for computer forensic, along with the goal for investigation and why we are going to investigate the different types of the cyber crimes, and we will put a light on also the justification to investigation and how to determine the impact of incident. We also compare what, or we will also see what is auditing versus the cyber forensic investigation. In the Unit 2 we will touch to the topic incident response. What is incident? What are the goals of incident response? Who is involved in incident response process? What are the incident response methodologies? Then how to formulate a response strategy and how to investigate the incident. Then we will also discuss about the preparation for incident response along with the overview of pre-incident preparation, identifying the risk and what to do after detection of an incident. In the last unit of this particular course, we will discuss about the different cyber forensic tools and or computer forensic tools and utilities. In this particular or under this particular unit, we will discuss different computer forensic tools. Those are divided in 3 categories: good, better and best. Then we will see how to select or what will be the right incident response tool for my organization. Then we will review some forensic tools, that is computer forensic tool definitely, like NCASE, CyberCheck Suits, FTK and many others. Then we will discuss about what is disk imaging, because as we all know, disk imaging plays a vital role in investigation process. Or this disk imaging nothing but the duplication of the digital evidences that we collect from the crime scene. And at last we will see the specifications of some forensic tools that has been tested.